Hello and welcome to our today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to summarize the survey data. During the survey, we collect a lots of data with different types of categories, and we have to summarize all this data into a single one platform using Microsoft Excel. Okay, let me show you how this works. This is a survey data obtained by using Google Form, and you know that Google Form provides the summary of the data. And in the summary, we are able to know this is the pie chart which has been created by this Google Form as a summary. This is the demographic data which has been created by this Google Form as a summary. And if you want to create this type of summary using the Microsoft Excel, we have to customize the Excel sheet and apply some function. Let's see how can we create exactly this type of data using the Microsoft Excel. This is the Microsoft Excel sheet of that survey analysis. Now we are going to summarize this data, which will be just like the summary of Google Form. Okay, let's start with the gender. To summarize this data, we have to define the name of each column. Let's start with this column. We have to select this column, and uh, after selecting all this data, we have to define the name of this column. It will be very much easier for us to summarize this data. We have selected this data. Right click on your mouse and you will find that define name option. Click on this, and it has been taken this name one.gender. We are going to simplify this. We are going to rename this one just as gender. This is the name of this column. For your convenience, you can copy this name so that you will be able to recall the name of each column. Click on OK, and this is the name of this column. It has been defined, and we are going to remember this name, and this name is gender. In the similar way, we are going to define the name of this second column, which is the age. And after defining the name for our convenience, so that we can easily memorize the name of this column, we will copy the name and paste at the bottom of this column. Right click on your mouse, select the define name, and this has also been taken as 2._s. And whenever you rename any column, start from the top so that the column name will appear as the name of this defining name of this column. We are simplifying this. And we will copy this on. Okay, and this column has been defined as age. In the similar way, we are going to rename this column. Start from the top so that the top column will appear as the name of this column. You see that Meritatus has been selected as the name of this column. We are omitting the number options and taking this one as the name of this column. Click on OK. Paste this. This is the name of this column. Okay, I think this is enough. This will be enough for us. Now we are going to summarize the gender. Gender, female and male. This two type of gender has been put in this In this data sheet, we're going to summarize the total number of female, total number of male. Now select this row, click on the function, type countif, 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 and this is the countif. Select countif, define the range, and we are going to calculate about the gender. Now it's the beauty of this column. Just like write down the name gender, GENDER, and you see that the whole column has been selected. And now the criteria. The criteria will be female. Click on female. So female criteria has been selected. Now click on OK, and you see that the total number of female is 220. Now expand this section, and the total number of male is 134. Now you can easily create a pie chart using these two data. Insert, select any pie chart, and this is the portion of pie, male and female data, and this is the percentage of male and female. So this is our chart. This chart is for gender, and you see that the male is 37.9% and female is 62.1%. This is exactly similar to the summary of Google form. Let me show you how the Google form has summarized this gender. You see that this is the female and male person. Female is 62.1% and male is 37.9%, which was just similar to our summary of our Excel sheet. In this way, we can summarize all this data. This is the marital status. One was unmarried and another was married. We have to click on the function, select the countif, already selected. Have to put this marital status in this column, marital status. The name will be marital underscore status, and before putting this name you have to copy this name, and then you have to open this countif form, and after putting this marital status all the column has been selected. Now we have to select the criteria. The criteria will be unmarried. Click on OK, and this is the total summary of unmarried. Expand this, and this is the total summary of married. You can create a pie chart just like the previous one. You can use the percentage. You can expand this percentage by right click on the format data table, go on the number, select the percentage, and decimal places should be 1. Write down 1, click on add rows, and you see that it has been represented at 1.6.2%, 9.93.8%. This is exactly similar to the summary of that has been created by Google form. Let me show you. You see that the unmarried is 93.8% and the married is 6.2%. Married is 6.2%. In this way, you can easily summarize your data sheet. Hope you have understood the process. Thanks to all for joining.